Welcome to Techmaksan, a groundbreaking organization that is reshaping the green energy and electronics industry. Our mission is to revolutionize the way we understand and utilize green energy, making it accessible and efficient for everyone. We are not just innovating in the energy industry, but also making strides in the world of electronics. We proudly present to you Techmax Studio, our game and video studio. Here, we are pushing the boundaries of creativity, storytelling, and digital entertainment. Welcome to the exhilarating world of Techmac Game, a realm where entertainment transcends the boundaries of age, and joy is found in every pixel. We believe that gaming is for everyone, a universal language uniting us all in the spirit of play. Whether you're a seasoned gamer with a penchant for Xbox, a Nintendo enthusiast, a PlayStation Pro, or a mobile game addict, Techmac Game. We pride ourselves on delivering games that offer immersive graphics and engaging gameplay. Our games promise endless hours of fun, captivating your senses and transporting you worlds beyond imagination. Techmac Game, we are committed to creating a gaming experience that's fun for all ages. Our logo is not just a symbol, but a promise of endless entertainment and shared joy. Even though we lose sometimes, every player is always first for us. Connected with us at techmagame.com and follow us on our social media channels for the latest updates and game releases. Dive into the world of Techmac Game, where every day is a new adventure waiting to be explored. Goodbye for now.